field. So just needed the sun to be out more, honestly, to play in our favor. Once it got to be wide open there at the very end when the track cooled off, the cars that had that raw speed in qualifying, it played in their hands. 2-3. But that's power number one. Kenny Chesney. I love the dimples in the small of your